Hello, besties. Welcome back to my space. I hope you guys are doing great. Looking at this hair, you would think I used a human hair kinky to do it, but let me bust your brain. I actually use a synthetic kinky to do that. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to turn this synthetic kinky hair to human hair kinky, and also show you guys how I'm going to use it to do my mini twist with it. So the first thing you have to do, any of the kinky, synthetic kinky, any products for this video, I'm making use of rosemary products. You can make use of expression product or darling product. Any of them can work. Okay, so when you get your kinky hair, go ahead and get a bowl of hot water. I didn't say warm water, I said hot water. You can see the vapor zooming out of my water, so the water has to be hot water, very hot. So when you get your kinky hair, please guys, do not, if you're making use of rosemary products, please do not cut off the band. You see that I cut off my own band. Please don't do that, because if you cut it off while you are doing this process, you might, like, your hair might get burned trying to hold the 5 piece together. So do not cut it off. I actually made that mistake, so do not follow that mistake. Okay, just leave it. When you are done with this process, then the process of braiding, you can remove the band. So this is what you have to do. Make sure that every part of the kinky is soaked with the hot water. Okay, make sure every part is soaked with water. Don't worry, I'm going to, we will still compare the one I did and the normal one, like the raw one. You will see the difference between when you do this process and when you braid it with that this hot water process. Okay, so make sure every part of it is soaked with the hot water. Okay, you guys saw the beautiful mini twist that I did with this extension at the beginning of this video. I did it myself. Okay, I'm going to show you guys beginner way of how you can actually twist your hair yourself. So this is it. This is the one we did. We applied hot water on, and then this is the one I've not done anything on. You can see the difference. It reduces the stiffness of that synthetic kinky, making it human-like hair. Like, it will make it to be like human hair kinky. It will remove the stiffness. It will not be that hard. It will be soft, lush. So after you are done braiding with it, you see that coily tips coming out. Okay, it will have that fish-like mouth, unlike when you just make our hair down, twist with it. So you can see the difference. So we need to do this. So this is me when I am braiding. Don't worry guys, I am going to drop a proper video on how I was able to do the mini twist myself. Okay, I'll show you guys what helped me, tell you guys what helped me, the do's and don'ts. That video will be coming after this one. Okay, so for you not to miss it, click that hot subscribe button. It's free of charge. Turn on the notification bell so once I upload that video, you get notified. Okay, this is me doing it, like twisting the hair with that same kinky hair. You see the result is more like, it's not like more like, it just like human hair kinky, as if I use human hair. So when someone sees, they will think it's actually human hair kinky, but no, that's synthetic hair that I turned to human hair. Okay, so this is your baby girl already at the front side. If you don't know how I was able to part my hair, what helped me to get those lines clearly and perfectly, watch the video before this one. That's where I show you guys how to easily part your hair in different parts, that it will be very easy for you now to cut and braid. So I was already done with the front side. Now moving to the back side. See how neat it is. Yeah, so if you want to see a proper video where I made this hairstyle from the beginning to the end, Let me know in the comment section. Although I'll be uploading that video next, so turn on notification bell so that once I upload that video you get notified. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, please guys, watch this video to the point and you know you got any value from this video. You know what I do in this channel, I bring it to you guys at the lowest level, the beginners level. Okay, some people will just show you the results, just few steps and then the result, but me, I make sure I show you guys the process. Okay, even a beginner, even if you've not done any of my tutorials before, if you follow my steps, definitely you get it. Okay, I always make it to be very simple for everybody. Okay, in the next video that I'll be dropping, I'll show you guys how I was able to do this hairstyle myself, mini twist myself with this same Kinky. I'll also show you guys in that video how different ways you can style your mini twist. Okay, if you don't want to just use one style all through the stay of your hair, I'm going to show you in that video how you can easily style your mini Kinky to perfection. So guys, do not forget to like this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn notification bell. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next upload. My baby is saying hi to you all. Bye.